The history of the dog. The dog is a domesticated descendant of the gray wolf, also called the domestic dog. Dogs were the first species to be domesticated over 14,000 years ago, before the development of agriculture. During their long association with humans, dogs have gained the ability to thrive on a starch-rich diet that would be inadequate for other canines. Dogs have been bred for desired behaviors, sensory capabilities, and physical attributes. Dog breeds vary widely in shape, size, and color. They have the same number of bones, powerful jaws that house around 42 teeth, and will develop senses of smell, hearing, and sight. Compared to humans, dogs possess a superior sense of smell and hearing, but inferior visual acuity. Dogs performs many roles for humans such as hunting, herding, pulling loads, protection, companionship, therapy, aiding disabled people, and assisting police and the military. Communication in dogs includes eyes, gaze, facial expressions, vocalization, body posture, including movements of bodies and limbs, and gustatory communications or sense, pheromones, and taste. They mark their territories by urinating on them, which is more likely when entering a new environment. Over the millennia, dogs have uniquely adapted to human behavior. This adaptation includes being able to understand and communicate with humans. As such, the human canine band has been a topic of frequent study, and dogs' influence on human society has given them the man's best friend. The global dog population is estimated at 700 million to 1 billion, distributed around the world. The dog is the most popular pet in the United States, present in 34 to 40% of households. Developed countries make up approximately 20% of the global dog population, while around 75% of dogs are estimated to be from developing countries, mainly in the form of feral and community dogs. Dogs are very loyal and they are very good to be around with humans and very friendly. They are easy to learn and they are very willing to be trained. And they are the man's best friends and they're easy to please.